Sandy, a tiny squirrel with a bushy tail, lived in a cozy nest high in an oak tree. One crisp autumn day, Sandy was gathering acorns for the long winter ahead. Suddenly, a loud crunch echoed through the forest. Sandy froze. She thought, had a giant monster come to steal all the acorns? Hesitantly, Sandy peeked down. There, munching on a giant acorn twice his size, was Grubby, a grumpy groundhog known for his bad temper. Grubby glared at Sandy. "These are my acorns, little one," he boomed. Sandy trembled. He couldn't fight Grubby, but the winter was coming. Thinking quickly, Sandy scurried to the nearby stream. She grabbed a smooth pebble and raced back to Grubby. "Look, Mr. Grubby, a brand new acorn game," Sandy squawked, dropping the pebble at Grubby's feet. Grubby, curious despite himself, nudged the pebble with his snout. It rolled away, a fun clicking sound following it. Grubby's grumpy frown turned upside down. He chased the pebble, giggling, forgetting all about the acorns. Sandy grinned. She had outsmarted Grubby by using his wit and a little trick. Sandy not only saved her acorns but also made a grumpy groundhog happy. Sandy learned that day that bravery isn't always about strength, but about using your cleverness to solve problems.
If you like this story, please subscribe the channel, like and share it with others. See you in the next video.